increase in their membership since May, after the Halfords Tour Series came to Oxford and the Tour de France. They've also had an increase in inquiries since the Olympics. Dennis McSweeney is from the club. Morning, Dennis.
Morning, Phil.
So happy days.
It's very happy days. Actually, those figures are out of date now. Things are happening so quickly that we've actually had extra members in the last week, 11 new members in the last week. So things are looking really good.
Tell me about the Oxonian Cycling Club. What do you do?
Well, it's the oldest established cycling club in Oxfordshire. We're celebrating 85 years this year. So what we've done is increase the membership because we've had so much interest from the Olympics. We've started introductory taster rides for people that haven't ridden in a group before and perhaps aren't very confident on a bicycle. So we've got 2 trained coaches in the club who will give advice on these taster rides to get more people in, to get more people to come on our rides, which happen on a Saturday and a Sunday.
So tell me about these rides. I mean, are they races, or do you just sort of tootle through the countryside?
They're not races, they're more of a tutor, but they split into groups. So if we've got people that want to go off in a faster ride, they can go off in a group, and then you have the more leisurely rides in general. So no one ever gets left behind on these rides, which is important thing for people that are coming out with us, because they tend to say, well, I won't be able to keep up, but you can keep up. If you come on an Oxonian Cycling Club ride, you're not going to get left behind.
And do you do them in one day, or do you do them over a weekend and sort of stop at a youth hostel sort of thing?
No, it's just on that one day. Generally, a few hours, go out somewhere, have a cup of tea and come back. So the weekend rides are generally 30 to 40 miles. It just depends on the day, weather-wise, and so on, and how many people turn up. But these taster rides are the things that people think they want to come out for a ride and don't think they're quick enough. Come along to those. The details are on our website, oxoniancc.co.uk. Get all the details from there and come along and have a go.
And you have to dress up in all the gear, all that lycra and
You
stuff.
don't have to, Phil, but it helps if you do. It makes you look good. And it certainly stops you getting a bit sore if you're on a longer ride.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Oh, is that why? Because I just thought it was just a little bit kinky, actually. But there's a good reason for all that.
There is a very good reason, especially the shorts. The shorts have padding in, so it does help on a long ride.
Now, let's talk about padding.
Go on.
Bikes. Been around for what, 150 years?
Yeah.
And here we are then, at the pinnacle of cycle engineering, and when you look at it, it's just like a bit of a padded razor blade. Why can't you have a proper seat on a bike?
Well, if you want to go really quick, then it just helps to have everything streamlined and lightweight. But certainly if you're just out for a leisurely ride, you can get good saddles now. Go to your local cycle shop, they get a good range of nice padded saddles for anyone that's worried they might not be able to do it.
Do you remember the Rally Chopper?
Yeah, I had one.
Now there was a seat. There was a bicycle seat.
Yeah, and a brilliant bike.
If people are interested, having been infused by hearing you, Dennis, how should they get in touch with the Oxonian Cycling Club?
Go onto our website, oxoniancc.co.uk. Put Oxonian Cycling Club in any search engine, it'll come up with the Oxfordshire's friendly cycling club.
And you stop, don't you? You stop and have a chat, and you stop and
Yeah, our club is leisurely and family based. If you want the heads down as fast as you can, then there are other clubs in Oxfordshire that will do that, but ours is more family orientated. So go on the website, get the details for the introductory taster rides, come along and give it a go. £12 membership a year. Nice value.
That's lovely, Dennis. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Phil.
Good to talk to you. Dennis McSweeney there from the Oxonian Cycling Club. Oh, the Rally Chopper.